What's up, everybody? Joe here from Mainline Overland. We just wrapped up another killer Ineos Grenadier build, leaving our Westchester, PA shop here. So we just wanted to do a quick little walk-around video, show everything we did to this truck. These are becoming more and more popular, and as more companies come out with upgrades, people are really starting to build these out. These are super capable out of the box. With just a few little upgrades, you can make these way more comfortable and way more capable out there on the trail. So let's dive in and take a closer look at this build. So starting off up front here, we upgraded this customer with the Owl Offroad bull bar. So this is a pretty simple install. It's kind of just a bolt-on bull bar that mounts to the factory front bumper. But I think this is a really killer looking front bull bar. Give you a lot of extra protection from obstacles out on their trail, animal strikes, and I really like that it gives it a nice aggressive look. I really like all the different angles and tube work they did with this. I think they really did a killer job with this bull bar on this truck here. I'd say this is definitely the most popular option people are going with. We've been selling a ton of these because they look great and they perform great as well. For the wheel tire and suspension setup on this truck, we upgraded to the Ibach lift springs, getting about 2 inches of lift. And we also upgraded to the King remote reservoir shocks. So these are going to give you a nice, really supple, comfortable ride out there on the trail, and they are fully adjustable. And then mounted up on these Owl Mojo wheels, or Mojo wheels, are a set of 35-inch BFG Km3 tires, or sorry, Km3, these are mud terrains. But the cool thing about these Owl wheels is they run dual valve stems. So you have the typical Schrader valve up here, but then down below we installed the Apex quick deflate. So this makes it super easy to air down. You basically undo this, and then if you just pull on this little tab there, it makes airing down way quicker. And then with the typical Schrader valve up here, you can still monitor tire pressure as you're deflating. So it's a really killer setup. Owl really knocked it out with the fitment and design of these wheels. They have a few different designs for the Grenadier, but they're all going to be the same fitment. They have a really nice flush fit with the fender with just a tiny bit of tire poke for a more aggressive look. But these, if you ever got a Grenadier, definitely check out Owl wheels. I think they're really killing it in the wheel game right now. With the suspension upgrade with those King shocks and Ibach springs, we also installed Metalcloak's control arm system. So if you look down in there, you can see the nice bright and shiny new front and rear control arms. So these control arms are fully adjustable, so you can really dial in, get your pinion angles all set, and really dial in the alignment. It's going to provide some more articulation off-road. So this is a really popular combo when we combine the King shocks, the Metalcloak arms, and then the Ibach lift springs. This really seems to be the recipe to get these Grenadiers riding right.
To finish it off, we added the Agile onboard air compressor under the passenger seat and the Agile center light kit using the Baja Design's XL80s in Amber.
Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a Grenadier you're looking to get built out, please reach out to us here at Mainline Overland. We've built dozens of these now and really know these trucks in and out. So be sure to give us a call, shoot us an email, and we can get your Grenadier dialed in for adventure.